An author used ChatGPT to write over 100 novels and sold 500 copies, and he made money through it. The image you are looking at currently won a photography contest, but the thing is, the winner admits that it's an AI generated image. An employee earning six-figure income admits that ChatGPT is doing 80% of his job. The list goes on something like this. And wherever you see on social media these days, you will find a post or a video of someone benefiting through AI tools and making money through them. My intention is not to create the FOMO, but to help you utilize the actual potential of AI tools to make money. Hi, I'm Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will share 10 ways that you can make money using artificial intelligence tools. It might be ChatGPT or it might be midjourney. We are currently living in the AI era, and if you are not utilizing the potential of AI tools, then you are losing a lot. In this video, I will share a step-by-step process of how you can use the 10 ways that I'm going to mention in the video to make money online using AI tools. Let's begin the list. The first way is selling digital arts. Images that you are looking at currently are the images generated by me through Midjourney. Midjourney is a popular AI tool which will help you to convert your thoughts into images or visuals, I can say. Brands are literally dying for these kind of images. Brands will pay you thousands for these kind of images because every time they want a new image, like they need to take the help of an illustrator or someone who knows Photoshop and all these Adobe stuff to create images like this. But with the help of tools like Midjourney, you can create by your own thoughts. All you need to do to make the most out of Midjourney is to understand prompts. Prompts in the sense, how can you ask Midjourney to create images like this? I have also shared it through many videos on my YouTube channel, like how you can use prompts to get the most out of it might be ChatGPT or Midjourney. But if you can understand prompts, if you know how to ask right questions to Midjourney, then ultimately sky is the limit for you to earn money online. The second way is to offer script writing services for videos on ads. With the help of ChatGPT, you can offer your services to YouTubers and brands that you can create a script for the YouTube video or an advertisement. Because with the help of ChatGPT, if you can ask the right questions, ChatGPT will give you right scripts and which you can modify later or customize later as well. So this is one best way because every YouTuber or every brand needs someone to work on this script part, and with the help of ChatGPT, you can experiment and you can come up with the best one easily. And third way is write and sell ebooks. In the beginning of the video, I have shown how an author used ChatGPT to write up to 100 novels. Yes, you can also write ebooks using ChatGPT because ebook is something which is a concise version of what you want to convey. So there is a platform called KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, from Amazon. You can download that app in your laptop. You can start writing your ebook there. With the help of ChatGPT, you can ask ChatGPT to help you to complete the book, and it will help you to do that. So you don't need to spend a lot of time writing that. You can literally spend like 3 to 4 hours to complete an ebook with the help of tools like ChatGPT. Number 4 in the list is offer resume or CV writing services. With the help of ChatGPT, you can literally ask ChatGPT to come up with a resume template by giving proper details. So if you can give ChatGPT the right details like your experience or your education qualifications or your skills, ChatGPT will give you the right template. But the thing is, you need to give the maximum details from your end. If you can provide the right details, it will give you a well-framed resume. Offering resume or CV services is one other way that you can make money online. You can post it in platforms like Fiverr, or you can post it on LinkedIn that you are offering these services, and people who are interested will reach out to you. But you need to make sure you know how to use ChatGPT the right way. Number 5 in the list is offer SEO consulting services. It might be brand, or it might be a content creator, or it might be a blogger. So every individual needs SEO help because SEO is something which will help a YouTuber or a content creator or a brand to grow their online presence. If you know how to do a keyword research, if you know how to put titles for videos and blogs, you will be called as SEO consultant. All you have to do is use the help of ChatGPT to come up with the right keywords, trending keywords. There are many plugins in ChatGPT as well. So you can use ChatGPT to come up with SEO friendly keywords and write titles that will attract audience, so that you can offer your services easily in platforms like Fiverr or even in LinkedIn. Number 6 in the list is become a virtual assistant. So it might be an influencer, it might be a strong profile individual, You can offer your services as a virtual assistant. Virtual assistant basically is someone who can take care of all the digital tasks of an individual. It might be replying to emails, it might be reaching out to brands for collaborations, or whatever it might be. You need to manage a person's online presence and person's emails or social media accounts. So that is what an virtual assistant in general do. With the help of ChatGPT, you can reply to emails easily. You can ask for collaborations with brands easily, because ChatGPT will help you to do that. You need to reach out to people in order to become a virtual assistant, because if you reach out to 10 or 12 people, at least one might accept your proposal. And number 7 in the list is sell thumbnails. If you can see the thumbnails that I'm creating these days, all these thumbnails that you're looking at currently uses 80% of AI. Using tools like Midjourney, I'm creating thumbnails these days. You can look the change in my previous thumbnails and the current thumbnails. Like, you will find the recent ones attractive. You can design thumbnails using Midjourney. You just need to know what prompt to ask based on the video title and what the content of the video. So if you can practice on Midjourney, if you know how to use the right prompts, you can create thumbnails easily using platforms like Midjourney, and you can customize them later in tools like Canva. You can sell thumbnails. You can post your services in freelancing platforms, or even in LinkedIn, or you can reach out to YouTubers or brands and offer your thumbnail services. And number 8 in the list is become a blogger. Writing content is very easy with the help of ChatGPT these days. If you know how to ask the right prompts to ChatGPT, ChatGPT will help you with blog outlines, blog titles, and keywords, etc. You can start a blog literally for free using tools like Blogspot of Google. So Google Blogger is a free to use app. Like, you don't need a domain and all. You can directly start writing blogs. And if your blog is getting popular, you can add AdSense to your blog and earn money through ads. Yeah, with the help of ChatGPT, you can write blogs as well. Number 9 in the list is create voiceovers. There are many different AI tools where you can convert your text into voice, so that you can give voiceovers to them. Even recently, I made a video of how I created a replica of my news anchor image, replica of me reading news exactly looking like me with different voice. Similarly, you can help brands or YouTubers creating voiceovers. If they can give you the text that they are looking to present or looking to include in the video, you can use these AI apps like Move.ai or Wave2Lip to create voiceovers in the backend, and you can sell them easily. And number 10 in the list is helping people solving their assignments. So there are platforms like Chegg, which I have already mentioned multiple times in my YouTube channel. But now with the help of AI tools like ChatGPT, you can easily solve their questions or solve their assignments, because ChatGPT is your Wikipedia. ChatGPT is more powerful than your brain, because it is trained on large data sets. So whatever you ask, ChatGPT will reply to you in seconds. So with the help of tools like ChatGPT, you can literally solve on platforms like Chegg and Coursera, and you can make money online. So these are all the 10 ways that you can use artificial intelligence based tools to make money online. I hope you find value through this video. If you want someone else to benefit from this video, please share this video in network. Also, for more AI related stuff and content on career guidance, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.